Knowing when and where to put the accent mark or tilde in a word in Spanish is very important. Not only they indicate where the stress of the word is, in some cases a tilde or the absence of it can completely change the meaning of a word. For example, papá with a tilde means dad. But if I remove or fail to put the tilde, it becomes papa, which means potato. Mamá means mom, but without the tilde is mama. Mama means like mammary gland, like a breast in singular. Though in colloquial Spanish, if you call your mom mama or your dad papa in context, people would understand, but that's not the actual meaning of the words. We have the word género. Género, that means either gender or genre, depending on the context. Without the tilde, género. Genero. I'm saying I generate. Camino. Depending on the context, it means I walk or path. Yo camino. I walk. El camino. The path. Caminó con tilde means he or she walked. Él caminó mucho ayer. He walked a lot yesterday. In the previous example, we also saw a change of tense and person with the tilde. Did you notice? Isn't that interesting? That's the reason why it's so important to learn tildes in Spanish. No olvides dejar tu like y suscríbete para más.